Have you ever noticed that some people naturally command respect without being loud, rich, or popular? They don't beg for attention. They don't explain themselves. And somehow, people listen when they speak. Today, you'll learn 7 dark psychology tricks that make people respect you. These aren't about controlling people. They're about understanding human behavior and using it wisely. Number 1, speak less than necessary. Most people talk too much. They explain every decision, defend every opinion, and fill every silence because they're uncomfortable with being quiet. But people often value words that are rare. The less you speak, the more weight your words carry. Pause before answering. Avoid unnecessary explanations. Let silence work for you. People who know their value don't constantly prove it. Number 2, stay calm when others lose control. During arguments, most people react emotionally. They raise their voice, become defensive, and lose control. But the calm person usually appears stronger. When someone insults you and you remain composed, you communicate confidence without saying a word. The person who controls their emotions often controls the situation. Number 3, stop seeking approval. Many people ask for permission without realizing it. They constantly look for validation before making decisions. But when your happiness depends on everyone's approval, people may see uncertainty. Confident people listen to advice, but they don't need permission to live their lives. People respect those who respect themselves first. Number 4, learn to say no. Some people say yes to everything. They sacrifice their time, ignore their own needs, and avoid disappointing others. But boundaries create respect. When you say no respectfully, you show that your time and energy have value. Not everyone will like your boundaries, but the right people will respect them. Number 5, maintain eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest forms of communication. Looking away constantly can make you appear nervous or uncertain. Maintaining calm eye contact shows confidence, attention, and emotional control. You don't need to stare aggressively. Simply hold eye contact naturally during conversations. Sometimes your eyes speak louder than your words. Number 6, don't reveal everything about yourself. People often share too much. They tell everyone their plans, goals, and personal problems. But mystery creates curiosity. When people don't know everything about you, they pay more attention. Keep some goals private. Let your actions speak before your words. Not everyone needs access to your entire life. And number 7, be willing to walk away. The strongest position in any relationship or situation is knowing you can leave. Many people chase attention, approval, and validation. But desperation reduces respect. When you know your worth, you're willing to walk away from disrespect and unhealthy situations. You don't need to beg people to stay. Real respect cannot be forced. It must be earned. Respect doesn't come from being loud. It doesn't come from pretending to be powerful. It comes from emotional control, confidence, and strong boundaries. Master these 7 psychological principles, and people may begin to see you differently. Which trick surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to JS Mind Society for more videos about psychology and human behavior.